Today's BEANO battle is the slime creation challenge, guys. Who can create the best looking piece of slime? Right, ready, set, go.
Oh,
what?
Oh, go already. Okay.
Right.
What do we have here? We got marbles.
How long do we have?
We got Jojo bows. We got water beads. What, dice? And we got some squishies.
Oh,
Let's see that.
Come on, Dan, keep going. Come on, don't give up.
how do you?
Have you got an idea in there?
Yeah. There's definitely some sort of idea.
Can't get it off my hand.
So
I've
5,
not won yet, though.
4,
Oh, please, you pass me some
3,
marbles. Please, you pass me some
2,
marbles. Please.
Time is up.
But I'm stuck to it.
Remove your hand from the fishbowl. It's time for me to now judge these slime creations.
Okay, my slime creation has a kind of sea-inspired theme. So I've got my little animal in there.
So tell me, what's this Jojo bow doing in the middle?
Well, I just thought I'd funk it up, add a bit of fashion to it.
So Dan, tell me about your slime creation.
So, this is basically a unicorn's dream. You see under here, everyone is trapped in this slime world, and then this is the dream. But look, he's got all of the slime on him. It kind of, it's a sense of hope, dreams.
I do like dreams.
Thank you.
I'm now going to declare a winner. Okay. Because of the lack of height, Lexi, the lack of vibrancy,
I win.
I'm gonna have to give it to Dan.
Yes!
Today we are going to be doing the Boozled challenge. Oh, they actually stay. Your turn, Dan. Okay, we've got purple, buttered popcorn, or rotten eggs. Who's doing time? Chocolate pudding or canned dog food?
Canned dog food?
I think people at school used to eat dog biscuits. They used to tell me.
What school did you go to? So I get right in.
It's absolutely disgusting.
Lime.
Or lawn clippings.
Have you ever eaten? Have you ever eaten grass?
No. I don't know, No, it's
Disgusting. Oh,
yeah,
God.
it tasted really nice at first.
It does, doesn't it?
Okay, so juicy pear or booger? Yeah! Okay.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
How are we getting all the bad ones?
Yeah, I don't know.
No, this is a scam. Like, there's no good ones.
Oh my God!
I'm gonna take it. Come back! Okay, so Kai could not handle the heat. So, we have a winner! As an extra, we're just all gonna try one and try and guess.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers. Chin chin.
ready?
Okay,
Three.
down in one. Cheers!
3.
2, 1. That was one of the worst experiences of my life. I have just eaten vomit by choice. One more for the road. 3, 2, 1. Oh, all in one. Thank you for joining us to play our very own BEANO Boozled.
Welcome to the Egg Splat Challenge. 12 eggs, 3 raw ones hidden amongst them. Let's see how we do. So, first up is Dan. Now, Dan is a bit of a novice. He is a new contender for this challenge. He will be wanting to prove himself. Having a little stretch. Here we go. Ready? He's having a little sniff as if he can smell the upcoming failure. He could smell the failure. Oh, look at all of that yolk running down his face there. He will be disappointed, to say the least. Lexi next. She'll be hoping for a better result. Oh, she's listening to the egg there. Maybe that's a better tactic. Let's see. Success! It looks as if Lexi chose one of the hard-boiled eggs. Oh, what's this? She's eating it! In the heat of the competition, Dan and Kai have forgotten that eggs are made of food. Okay, now for Kai. He's throwing the egg up and down. That helps, apparently. He's so cool. Ready? Oh, yes, he was right to be cool and confident because it didn't break. A few egg breaks here. No, all good. Yes, yes, everything's proceeding nicely. Here we go. Come on, Kai. No. Cool Kai has failed. The egg has gone everywhere. Dan's testing to confirm it is indeed real egg, of course.
No one.
Now here's Dan. Here. The last egg in Dan's face. That spells double failure for Dan and a win for Lexi. Does she look smug? She should. She's the winner of the Egg Splat Challenge.
I have so much egg on my face.
It's Easter, and today we are doing the
chocolate egg challenge. How are you feeling, boys?
I'm hungry.
So we know that it's the chocolate egg challenge, but
Yeah.
there is a twist today. So we've got to eat the eggs, but we're not allowed to use our hands.
What?
So hands behind backs, boys.
What?
Are we ready to go?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! What?
Well, it's not chocolate.
It's lime.
Ew!
Scrumptious. I'm still hungry.
It's magic.
Do we have to finish all of these?
Yeah.
How do you do it?
Oh, it's horrible.
This isn't chocolate, guys, but I love it.
It's all my teeth. Is it
I
yours?
can't. I think I'm finished.
Is that your last one?
That's my last one.
How did you eat all of them so quick? What?
It was beautiful.
I suppose well done.
Thank you very much.
Oh, that was. Oh. See you next time for another BEANO battle.
Hi guys, I'm Daniel.
Cheese! This is your boy Kai.
And I am Lexi.
And we are doing the Lego challenge. Now, the aim of this is who can build the most creative model in 2 minutes, but there's a twist. You guys have to build it out of the same color bricks, okay? And I'm choosing these.
Oh, God.
Are you ready?
choosing.
Who put you in charge?
Blue, red, go! Okay, they're picking up, they're picking up.
That time up.
No, it just has so much fun to do.
Oh, okay.
5, 4, 3. And that is the end. So, what were you going for behind this
This
beautiful
is-
piece of artwork? Firstly, what's the name of it?
This is the red hot to be named later.
Wow, the
Yeah.
red hot to be named later.
This is gonna be like the 2020 new vehicle. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
This is gonna
I
be
like
the
it.
next
Futuristic.
Big thing. Yeah, this is gonna be the next big thing.
And then we move on to Lexi's.
Yeah.
Lexi, describe what's going on here.
Okay, so we have Big Blue.
The Big Blue.
Big Blue.
That's what it's called. Nice.
Yeah, so he's travelling in an upwards trajectory.
Oh, it's a person. is
Yes,
it?
it's
Oh,
so I
okay.
decided to make mine
Oh,
into a
nice.
person.
Drum roll, please.
Okay, we're gonna.
Lexi.
Woohoo!
So excited. I've been Daniel,
I've been Kai.
And I have been Lexi.
and this has been the Lego Challenge.
Hi guys, we're doing the smoothie challenge today,
We're getting 3 different smoothies and we have to guess what the ingredients are.
and whoever gets them wrong has to try a forfeit.
I would like chocolate in there, that would be cool.
like chocolate, vanilla, ice cream.
Fruit's all
Oh, yes.
fine,
Oh,
ice cream
yes.
is perfect. Oh my god. Oh no.
I quite like it. Is that weird?
The second part is a complete guess for me, I don't know about you.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yay! Well done. We
Right.
both just put in a thing.
Cheers. Oh, I don't know about this one. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Yes! Oh no! I need to win the next one. That's enough. That's enough. Are you ready for the final challenge?
I'm ready for the final challenge.
I've got goosebumps trying to drink this.
gosh.
It's curdled. Something is curdled.
I don't think that's legal to give that to
Something
people.
that's curdled. I don't feel well. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes! So we have to both do it together.
Oh, thank you. Oh, gosh.
Nice little plot. Sorry. I can't even do that. Did you drink it?
Yeah, I drank some. Do you not drink some?
I'm a failure.
Looking forward to this.
Hi guys, today we are doing the smoothie challenge. We're going to drink 3 smoothies and guess the flavours, and whoever guesses the least flavours has to drink a concoction of all the disgusting drinks in this.
I don't think that's even drinkable.
Smells quite nice, doesn't it?
What is that?
3, 2, 1. What? Did you taste strawberry milk?
No. First impressions?
Chocolate milk?
Smell?
Definitely fish.
I don't want this.
There's little tiny bits in it. No. 3, 2, 1. Why did you think?
Tuna!
Yeah, the bits.
Not too much. That'll do.
What can be worse than fish?
I think it could be fish again, just because
Yeah.
the BEANO are horrible. Bon appetit. Oh, I think I just got a bone, maybe.
Nice. I think I've got it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Whee!
Yes! Ha! Ready? Excited for that? Swallow it! Swallow it! You got this, go on. Well done. Swallow it, swallow it, swallow it, swallow it. Oh. You did! Well done. Open mouth.
Let's go ahead.
Today guys, we're going to be doing the smoothie challenge. There are multiple ingredients and whoever can drink the most is the winner. Tomato ketchup.
No, that's a...
Right.
Oh, yes! My eyes are watering.
Hold on. Let's just get that out.
Oh, yay!
Let's put 4 marshmallows in.
Number 10.
This is the best day ever. Look at how...
I actually feel sorry for you. Number 2 is banana.
I don't even like banana.
Right. Right.
Number 12.
Number 12. Oh my gosh.
Chocolate, marshmallows,
And chocolate chips.
And ketchup.
and ketchup.
Some lemon.
Well, just squeeze the lemon.
Ooh.
Right, let's get some jam in there.
Thank you.
11. And Dan's got 7. Oh my god. Okay.
Stop.
That's perfect.
You gave them more?
I love that. Right here, going head to head. Who do you think's gonna win?
Wish us luck.
Oh. Whoever can drink the most wins.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ah, gross!
Mine's actually quite okay.
Oh.
Mine's quite nice.
As it would be.
It's all over my face.
Yeah?
Yours awful.
Yeah.
Who's the winner? Who's the winner?
Keep going. Have you given up, Dan? Okay.
Look at my I can't.
I think we need to get Kai to try them.
Kai, do you want to try a little mixture of them?
This one
This will
first.
make it taste nice. Is that awful?
It's the texture. The texture is.
What's wrong with you?
Would
Is that one alright?
Try it.
Yeah, mine is nice as well. Oh.
This is awful.
This is nice.
It's so bad.
I think I
Disgusting.
won this challenge, guys, and I will see you soon because I am the victorious one. Cheerio! It's your boy Kai.
Hi, it's Dan.
And I am Lexi.
And guys, we are doing the Boom Boom Balloon Challenge. If I roll the dice and I get 1, you have to push one of these sticks in once. If you get 2, you have to push one of these sticks in twice, or you can do the alternative by pushing 1 stick in and another stick in, which makes 2. And then vice versa for the number 3.
Thank you.
1.
Oh, I feel nervous. Oh, okay, let's go. I'm just gonna go for the one closest to me. Here we go, boys.
Oh, okay. Right.
Ooh, my heart is beating. Good luck, boys.
We've got number 3, guys.
3.
Number 3 for Dan.
No, that will go straight.
Okay.
1.
Oh.
I'm gonna lose, because the next push is gonna be, he's gonna pop.
The last push is the deepest.
Oh, wow. Whoa. Oh, he's done it.
Okay.
2.
Oh, no. I can't do this anymore.
This is actually so sick.
Yeah, I know.
One more.
This one.
It looks like my uncle's head.
He's a Smurf? Or just these bits?
I might just be a bit dangerous, live life on the edge.
Yeah, push one.
Oh!
What? What?
Oh no. Okay guys, so as you can see, Dan unfortunately lost this round and me and Lexi won this round, so stay tuned for more. Thank you guys and we'll see you soon.